Hello students, welcome in chapter 15, statistics. Students, in statistics second part, today we going ahead to topic is a mean deviation about by the median. Yes students, this about by median, that's your topic number 2. In the last video, I will explain mean deviation about by mean. Here about by median. So first of all students, I introduced to formula average deviation about by median. It is your del m, which is sigma xi minus m upon n, where m is a median. One more formula, second one is a del m, which is sigma xi with the fi. Yes, fi xi minus xm upon n, where students m is our median. So median m indicate always first you arrange all the observations in ascending either descending. First we arrange all the observation in ascending either descending order, and then after we will decide it is a number of observations are odd or even. So if n become even, then median m n upon 2th observations plus n upon 2 plus 1 observations by 2. This is a property. And second, if n become odd, if you odd given, then median m is the students n plus 1 upon 2 the observations. So in these two conditions wise, we define the median and we go to formula for mean deviations about by the median. Now students, in exercise 15.1, question number 3, we will start. Exercise 15.2, question number 3, find mean deviation about the median. In short, asking the del m. That's my questions, and in my questions observations are following there. Observations are, just I write down first of all my observations: 13, 17, 16, 14, 11, 13, 10, 16, 11, 18, 12 and 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Students, here n become 12 even. Means I will use this property. But before that, we arrange in ascending order. So in ascending order, we will arrange xi in this way. And then after, we will start my find out the median. So in ascending order students, you just write down 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 16, 16, 17 and 17, 18. Just I check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is all I arrange and go to find out your medians. So in median define, students, you just find out this formula first, this one, and that property I will use here, because even parts, observation even, n become total 12. So here 12 by 2 observation plus 12 by 2 plus 1 the observations by 2. Here 6th observation and here 7th observation by 2. Here 2 and 6 plus 1, 7. 6 observation means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one students. And 7 is 14. So 13 plus 14, 13.5, that's your median. And these 13.5 medians. Now I decided my value xi minus m, and finally modulus xi minus m modulus, and that become your final total sigma xi minus m, and get the answer. So 10 minus 13.5, it is minus 3.5. Take it modulus. Here 2.5 minus total 2.5. Yes, 11, 12 and 13. Next also minus 2.5. Continue. Here minus 1.5. Now here 13, so 0.5, but minus 13.5, again minus 0.5. It get 1.5, 13.5, sorry, 0.5 students. Next 16 minus the 2 added, 2.5. Now again 2.5, 17, 3.5, 3.5 and 4.5, 3.5, 3.5, 4.5, and add them total in the formula. Apply sigma xi minus x bar by n, and this total additions, students, we will take in the additions parts. After all taking to 28, yes, and by 12 you get your answer is a 2 point something 33, that you take using calculator and easily get your answers. Now continue question 4. Same asking, mean deviations about by median. Question 4, del m is target and observations are in ascending order. I direct write down in ascending order in my given observations in the following steps by that. So it is 36, next 42, 45, 46, 46, 49, 51, 53, 60 and 72. That totals, just I counted 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes students, it is a total 10 observations. And go to middle points 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, these two are middle, and that's I take our median formula 2 both plus dividing by 2. So according to rule I just explain side by side. Define easily value for the medians. So students, here in the table xi minus m, and last table modulus xi minus m, and that the total sigma xi minus m. But here side by side formula write down n become 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, means even. So median m, n upon 2th observation plus 1 observation by 2, 10 by 2, 5th observation, that 6th observation. Now students, 5th observation is that 1 2 3 4 5, 46 plus 49 by 2, which is 47.5. That's median. You will write down here 47.5 our median. And now calculate 36 minus 47.5. 47.5 minus 36. Just subtract from that. Yes, it is 11. 6 and 7, 4 and 3 and 1, 4. It is minus 11.5. My answer is 11.5. Now next 42. Same as 47.5. So minus 5.5, which is 5.5. 42 and 5, 47.5. Next here 45. 2.5 minus. Next 1 added, minus 1.5. Again minus 1.5. Again here 3 added. So students, here you getting 3 additions. So it is a 2.5. But additions 49 minus 47. It is a 2.5, 47, 48, 49 and 50. It is a 1.5 I think. Yes, sorry, my mistakes. Again check 47, 48 and 49. Now here 2 added students. So 2.5. 2 added, sorry, 3.5. Next again 2 added, 5.5. Here 7 added, 12.5. And last 12 added, 24.5. And that, students, you totally add them and apply in this way to formula del m is your answer, sigma xi minus m upon n, and that become, I think so, 70. It gets a total summation, students. Yes, it is a 70 total. By n become 10. My answer is happily just only 7 here. Now question continue, students. 5th and 6th already done in the last part, so I will go to now 7th. Question 7. Find the del m, means mean deviation about by median, and that is the xi fi. And just you follow them, these steps in the way of xi with the fi. Xi I have 5, 7, 19, 12, 15, and fi is 8, 6, 2, 2, 2, 6, and add them. Total your additions, it is just like a 26. Now you will prepare first of all here CF, cumulative frequency. So it is cumulative frequency, CF you know that 8 as it is, 6 added, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 2, 10, 20 and 6, 26. Now it is an even number. That's why in the data wise, median m, n by 2 the observations, 26 by 2 the observations, to get 13 the observation. Now students, in 13 observations you definitely tick this one, between that 8, 14, 13 observation, and this you follow up steps, that's your median 7. So m become 7. Now you table fall of xi minus m modulus, and last fi with xi minus m modulus, and that should be, I want to, my final totaling values in sigma fi with the xi minus m in the answer wise total. So students, here this is your xi 5 minus 7, it get to modulus value 7 minus 7 0, 9 minus 7 2, 10 minus 7 3, 12 minus 7 5, and 15 minus 7 8, and this multiply with this fi with that, and total you get this product value. 8 to the 16, here 0 0, here 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, 5 to the 10, and 8 6 are 48, and that makes, students, totally if you add it in this easy way, you will get the values for total 84, just total additions. So del xm sigma fi xi minus m upon m, which is 84 by your observation is that 26, and just you divided them, you will get simple using calculator, students, 3.23 my answers. Now same we are going in the question number 8. Find the average deviation about by the median about by the medians. Question 8. Find your del m, and question is the xi fi. In this process you will same explain here, students. Your xi is 15, 21, 27, 30 and 35, and frequency given 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and you just add them, total addition, students, it is a 29. Now you go to CF, cumulative frequencies, 3 same as 3 plus 5, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 7 21, plus 8 29. Yes, that's the first of all, you're up to 29 done. Now it is odd. So students, median m become n plus 1 by 2 the observation. So 29 plus 1 upon 2 the observation, 30 by 2, which is 15th observation. Now students, in 15th observation here you will cover to that these are two boundary line 14 to 21, 15 number available, and you will shoot that is your median. Exactly going in xi parts is a 30 and median 30 over. Now table continue, xi minus m in modulus, and lastly fi xi minus m modulus, and that should be your total sigma fi xi minus m. Now answer, this is your xi, 15 minus 30, we get 15. 21 minus 30, we get 9. Now 27 minus 30, we get 3. Here 0, 0. 35 minus 30, it is 5. Now this table multiply with fi. 15 3s are 45. 9 5s are 45. 6 3s are 18. 0, 0. And 8 5s are 40. Just you added them, 5 and 5 10 and 8 18, 1 carry, 4 and 4 8, 9 and 10, 10 and 4 14, 148. So del m sigma fi xi minus m upon m, 148 by, you just n become 29, and here students you will get simplest to simplest answer 5.1. yes, using calculator, but yes, here students easy and short numerical done. Now I will go to big sum. It means 3 marks question, students. Now already 9 and 10 I explained in the last video, so go to now 11th. 11 and 12 IMP questions. Question number 11, find that same del m and given that marks with the number of girls, and that I indicate fi with the properly marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and that should be given my total values have 6, 8, 14, 16, 4 and 2, and you just add them total, students, 50. Now I want to first of all anyhow median. So median wise you first go to CF, cumulative frequency, 6 same, 6 and 8 14, 14 and 14 28, 28 plus 16 just added 8 and 6 14, 1 carry, 3 1 and 4, next 48, and lastly 50. Just you add alternately. Now 50 is a even number, so here median class, not a median, it is median class because a class given. And students, one more important topic, check here, your class is your continuous data. Yes, in question number 12 check, they not a continuous. So in that type I will explain to different parts, but here I explain to continuous data wise median class is very easy, n by 2 the observation, 50 by 2 the observation, which is 25th observation. And students, my 25th observation is that in this way 14 to 28, in this between your 25 running, so here you will go to straight line, this your interval 20 to 30, this is your small f, and that's your big F, and go to your formula derivative m, it is L lower boundary point 20, because of that our continuous data, that's what 20, but if you not continuous data we can't write down 20. Now L 50, small f 14, big F 14, and class length students only 10. So here we will define to median M, L plus n by 2 minus big F, small f into C. L I had 20, n by 2, 50 by 2, which is 25th, F 14, small f 14, and C is a 10. So 20 plus, so it is 25 minus 14, which have to 6 and 5, 11. 11 by 14 into 10, which should be 20 plus 110 by 14, which have to, I think, 7.53. Yes, I just checked down the using calculator parts. Yes, it is a 7.85 by mistakes. So it is a 27.85. That's your students, 27.85 our median. Now I going ahead to my further tables in the way of find out the average deviation about my median. So here, first of all, mark check is the interval given. So I decided here central value, either mid value xi, then after xi minus m, and then after fi with xi minus m, and that's the easy answer. So this central value 0 to 10 by 2 means 5, here 30 means 15, 10 added, so 25, 35, 45, 55. Now m is known, 27.85 minus 5, so 22.85. And students, that you using calculator, I just direct write down 12.85, next 2.85, and after that students 7.15, next 17.15, and 27.15, and this data you multiply with these frequencies, make them 6 into 22.85 using calculator. I write down direct here 137.1, 102.8, 39.9, 114.4, 68.6, and 54.3. And this total additions, summation of fi xi minus m is a 517.1. 517.1. And now answer declare. To goes to final answer now. It's a very simple part. So del m, which is sigma fi xi minus m upon n. So 517.1 upon 50. And here students, you will divide it by 2 and get the students finally answer 517 with the answer our finally answers for the question number 11 are done here students. For the 27 point, yes, 10.34, 517.1 divided by 50. Now running to question 12, which is very most IMP, very most IMP. Listen, tick mark the answers. So age and given that numbers of the persons age wise. This question, that's why IMP, because here are the continuous data given, but in this sum not a continuous. Age and numbers with fi given. My age person is a 60 to 20, 21 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35, 36 to 40, yes, 36 to 40, and 41 to 45, 46 to 50, and last 46 to 50, last 51 to 55, and that's become your frequencies given 5, 6, 12, 14, 26, 12, 16 and 9, and you make them students totally, first of all, additions, which is 100. Here check, this is not a continuous data given. Yes, this is a continuous, that's why I direct putting here 20 to your L, but in this case we can't putting the direct intervals, that's why here you will do minus 0.5 and here plus 0.5 in this intervals. Okay, first start our cumulative frequency. CF 5 to 5, 11 and 12, 23 and 14, which have to 7 and 37 and 26, 6 and 12, 13, 1 carry, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 63, and 63 and 12, 5, 6 and 1, 75. Again you adding them, it is 91, and last 291 to 900. Now n becomes, students, even. Therefore your median class, I will write down 100 by 2 the observations, which is 50th observations. And students, in 50th observation, in my CF, here I just block my answers, and that you cover two straight lines. This intervals 36 to 40. But here minus 0.5 taking to plus 0.5 taking, it is 35.5 to here 40.5. I just calculate my further answers. This is your small f, and that's become big F. And very easily we will moving my answers. But this point is a main point to class interval changing. Why changing? Because this interval are not given in continuous data. That's why, students. Now I will moving to find out the median. L 35.5, N 100, C become 5 class interval, small f and big F 26 and 37, and define to median L plus N by 2 minus big F on small f into C. L I have 35.5. Students, N by 2 means that one 50, capital F 37, small f 26, and C becomes, students, only 5, because here 5 as the numbers are increasing. So 35.5, it becomes 13 by 2, 5 by 2, definitely it is 2.5, and 35, 36, 37 and 38, that's the, students, my median ready. So now I start to my big process to find out median deviations formula. So here first define that mid value, either central value xi. After that I will prepare xi minus m, and last prepare fi with xi minus m, and here I will get to final sigma fi xi minus m, and decided to your finally answers. So students, here xi means these are additions 20, 30, 36, 36 by 2, 18. Next 20, 40, 46 by 2, 23. You will check 5 number is increasing, only 5 added, so 18, 23, 28, 33, 38, 43, now 48, 53. And xi minus m, your m is known that, students, how much? 38. So here 38 is 0. 18 minus 38, 8 minus 0, 3 minus 2, 20, 30, 38. Now 5 is increasing, so your 5 is less, 15. 5 and 3, 8 and 2, 1, 3. Now it is 10. Here 5, 0. 43 minus 38, so 3, 4 and 5, 10, 15. And last, this do with that doing fi product. So 25 is 100, 15 6 is 90, 120, 14 5 is 70, here 0 0, 12 5 is 60, here 160, and last 15 9 is 135. And that much, students, you product take, I mean addition take, and decided my final answer, it is 735. Just use the calculator. I will check my answer. 170, 90, 0, 0, 160, 135. It's correct. Now final answer. So del m sigma fi xi minus m upon n, 735 by the 100. Here, students, 7.35. You finally and easily. Students, this answer is done. Students, here our this exercise happily done for the average deviation about by medians. And here students, I will stop this video and next explanations to next new parts in the new video. Bye bye.